Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be doing a celebrity inspired look, and the celebrity of choice for today's look is Demi Lovato, and this is the look that I will be recreating. So without further ado, let's get right in. Start out with eyebrows. I'm going to start outlining them with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Granite. Now I don't, as you can see, have much brow hair at all. But what I want to do is try to make them appear as thick as possible without looking too drawn in, if that's possible. So that's why I didn't choose to use a pomade. And then to shade the rest of it in, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. So let's start with the brows. I'm also going to fast forward this because I'm not really going to be talking while I'm doing my eyebrows because it takes forever. So if I'm talking, it's just going to take even longer. Ooh, I don't have much left. Okay, so we're just going to use it to outline. All right. Okay, now that the brows are outlined, I'm going to go in the Wet n Wild one and shade it in and make it look as much like hair as I can. Now, the next thing we're going to do is get into the eyeshadow. Now, it looks like she has a hint of red on her eyes with eyeliner on. She doesn't have a wing, but she does have eyeliner on her on her lash line. So, and she does have lashes on. I do have some lashes that look very similar, so those are the ones I'll be applying today. So next we're going to go into eyeshadow. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with the Revolution Pro Eye Elements Eye Primer in the shade Core. Okay, so it doesn't look like she has much on, so I'm just going to put like a hint of a reddish shade. Let's see what color I'm going to choose for the look. I'm really just going to go into one, maybe two shadows at the most, and I'm going to be using the Blossom Passion palette by Ace Beauty, which looks like this. And these are the shades in here. Very pretty. I'm not sure if I want to go into the brighter red or yeah, I'm gonna go into Red Rose, which is this shade right here. And that's the only shade I'm gonna use. I'll probably blend it out with Gardenia, which is this shade right here. You know what? Actually, I think I'm gonna bring this whole color on my lid, the Red Rose shade. So let's do that. Not very pigmented on the lid, but I'm going to blend it. I'm just kind of placing it right now. And then I'm going to go in with a brush that has no product and blend that out. Okay, this is too red. I think I put too much on. So I'm just trying to blend it. Let me add some of that Gardenia shade, which is this shade right here. You know, actually, I like the way this red shade looks, so I think I'm just going to go with it. I think I put too much on this eye. Of course I did. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the eyeliner. She doesn't have a wing, but she has like, what she has is the line starts thin in the front and then it gets a little thicker towards the end. I'm not crazy about this eyeliner. This is Il Makiage ink liner in black. Okay, she has it like that, but it goes about to here. So let me, I'm going to have to do this off camera because I have to get really close up to do this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I also went and did this eye off camera because I am just too up close and personal with the mirror when I'm doing my liners, so that you're not gonna be able to see anything if I record it. So, all right, so the next thing we're gonna do is go into the lashes. Okay, so lashes are on. Also, I put some eyeliner in my tight line because her lashes look very full and it looks like she has liner there as well. She also has bottom mascara, but I'll do that after my foundation. So now we're gonna get into foundation. As far as a primer is concerned, I moisturized already. I don't usually use a face primer, so today we're just gonna skip out on it and go straight into foundation. So for foundation, I'm using the NYX Born to Glow Natural Radiant Foundation, and this is in the shade Medium Olive. Now, her makeup look is very natural, so the sponge I'm using, it soaks up a lot of product. But so I figured it would be perfect for this look because all her freckles are showing through. You might not be able to see it in the picture the way I'm showing it to you, but they're shining through, so that's why I chose that sponge, so you could still see my marks, my freckles and stuff underneath. See how much product that soaks up? It's crazy. That's only one side of my face, and this is pretty dense, this sponge. Not too crazy about it. I bought it from Marshall's in a what was it, a 9-pack, and they were $10, so I thought it was a steal. But some of them are softer than the other ones, but as long as it applies the makeup the way I like it, it really doesn't matter to me how soft they are. Okay, so for concealer today, I will be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. So next we're gonna move into powder. It's in the Becca Hydra Mist setting powder. Okay, so next I'm gonna bronze up the skin. I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and Deep Bronzer. We're just gonna warm up the skin to start with. All right, and I'm gonna do a little contour with the Kylie bronzer in Toasty. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of that bronzer to my nose to do a little slight contour. Okay, and after I outline my nose, I just rub it in lightly with my finger. For blush today, I'm going in with the LA Colors Red Rouge blush in the shade Awesome. Okay, she has no blush on her nose, which is usually where I like to put it. So I'm just gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks where she has it. She doesn't really have it on her apples either. She has it more here. So I'm going to put it where she has it. Now today for highlight, if you see the picture, she has some highlight on her forehead above the brow. She has a little bit more on her cheekbones and on her nose and a little on her chin and a little bit here on the bridge. So that's where I'm going to highlight. I'm going to highlight all the places that she's has highlighter. The highlighter today I'll be using is Becca in the shade Opal. Okay, now before we go in with our red lip, we're going to set the face. Today I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus matte version. Gotta shake this up really, really good or you'll get like white specks on your face from the formula in here. Okay, for lipstick today, I'll be wearing the MAC lipstick in the shade Work, Work, Work. And this is a Powder Kiss formula, matte formula. Looks like this. But before I go in with the lipstick, I'm going to put my NYX lip liner on in the shade Hot Red. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the lipstick. Okay, so that completes this look. So please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to let me know what you'd like to see in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.